Adfast Fastener was actually started in 1981 in this exact building by my grandfather. I work with my cousin. The beauty of Adfast Fastener is the fact that we are fully integrated. So we not only design and manufacture the actual grommets and washers that will be installed on your industrial fabric, but we also design and manufacture the stamping dies that form the grommets and washers, and we design and manufacture the machines that install your grommets and washers.
This knowledge permits us to design a new machine called the Eagle Tree that is low cost and very, very efficient. All the components are manufactured in Canada, in Montreal. No brushes in the bowl, everything is hardened where it needs to be, so it's a very precise machine that will last for a very long period of time at a very low cost.
We've focused on this technology exclusively since 1981. We are the best to service you. You only have one person to call.
We manufacture everything in brass and stainless steel, but we're mostly competitive in stainless steel. It's more durable and have more strength than conventional brass grommet and washers.
Same thing for a new line of Eagle 3 machines. Given all that they can do, they are very fairly priced. And so we know that they will be a huge success internationally.